Well, and the thing I like about the crew from Idaho is you guys all shoot guns out there?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yep.
I did get a chance to shoot Sarah's rifle, which was pretty cool. I tried to talk her out of it, but she wasn't having any of it.
Yeah,
she offered to give me Jamie's rifle.
That's, well, yeah.
That's how it works. Right?
Yeah.
Right.
So one more time, your channel name?
Southwest Idaho Overlanding.
Southwest Idaho Overlanding. So guys, check out George's channel. Good guy, and I understand sometimes you drag your daughter along with you on the trips out there.
She's with me 99.9% of the time. So, and she's kind of the one that got me started with all this again, because I used to do it when I was younger, and she got to a point where she wanted to do stuff with me. So this is what we started doing, and
awesome.
It just kind of took off from there. So.
Well, it's been great to meet you guys, and
nice meeting you.
Appreciate you guys all congregate and get the whole Idaho crew all together here. It's been kind of cool.
We thought we'd bring more this time.
Yeah,
you know,
have a little stronger representation from.
It's not an invasion yet.
Not yet. Oh, yet. Oh, yeah.
We're just kind of seeing how it is first.
Maybe I should hang on to
this. We're just scouting.
Yeah. Awesome.
Battery. AGM coming up, huh?
I'll bet you could kill an AGM too. I mean, if that's what it means. It's cold. That's real cookie.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not warm. You have to wait here. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice and toasty.
I'm going to be the tail gunner.
Then we'll never know if you turn around.
You'll never know if you got lost or not.
You guys call in whenever you're ready.
Fragment to Coyote Works, radio check.
Yep, she probably liked it.
Alright, just 2, 4, 6 vehicles left at the scene. Amanda's taking pictures, and she's just hopping in her rig.
They were being prosecuted. And they split into 3 different sectors. Nice to meet you. We're fine.
Yep.
See you guys. Yeah, safe trip back.
Thanks for coming along.
That's awesome. See you next time.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, testing 1, 2, 3, testing.
Oh, we got somebody following us.
Yeah. You
Thank
too.
you.
That's Dakota.
Thanks, Casey.
Trip back.
All right, thanks.
Should have been counting, dang it. Every time I walk in the line, I forget to start counting until I'm like halfway through. Oh,
So, we got it.
that's the guy. Nice to meet you. See ya.
We'll get a hold of you.
We'll be in touch.
Yeah.
All right.
Broadband, this is Coyote Works. Do you copy? Broadband, this is Coyote Works. Do you copy? Anybody that wants to just peel out, there's no reason at this point anybody has to wait for the convoy. If anybody would like to wait, just going north, they can follow me north. Anybody else is welcome to pull out whenever they're ready.
We started something.
Yep.
Good call, Jamie.
Is this the one everyone wants? Thanks for the trip, everyone.
Awesome. All right, we're good. Bye.
I want my money back.